Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Style. A happy new week to my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Style. Today I have beautiful short natural hairstyles. This is a tapered haircut. It also features the boys cut and body. And today's haircut is perfect for women who really want that short style with options. You can see this haircut, to give your crown that ability to create that look that will always suit your fashion sense and your lifestyle needs. So with the right tools and products, like the products of Kings and Coils. It is the Kings and Coils polylightener that was used to achieve this ox plot. I love the side pattern. I just love those beautiful tappers. So using the right product like the Kings and Coils cost about $20, and you can order online through Amazon, AliExpress. You can check in any shop around, or if you know you can't get it, please check my description box. Then through the link, you can connect to the CEO, which is Steven Sherigan. He's based in Atlanta, Georgia. There you can also link him on how also he can make your hair to achieve this cut. But this barber on the screen is Diego. He's based in Brazil. So for those looking for those beautiful haircut, his description box is location is also in my description box. So if you're staying in Brazil, you can also link up with Diego. He will give you the best of tapered haircut. He's best in giving you this natural haircut. And one thing with this styles is that it will always offer that comfortable length and great seals, like as well as giving you that cool hair you want. And this kind of hairstyle, you can see, will make you look modern and it's classy. Isn't this hair looking so classy? See how she's looking so sophisticated. I love the side part. I love the zigzag by the back. And you can see not everybody loves using colors. So sometimes with your natural hair, if you have the salt and pepper, if you have the gray, you can rock this beautiful tapered haircut gracefully with your salt and pepper and your gray, and it will give you that chance to really look that best you want, like giving you that confidence you want. And one of the best tips to always remember when it comes to this kind of hairstyle is always using the best cream hair, the best coil enhancers, like the Kings and Coils. We also have other products like the Dukes. We have the MIELLE and other products. Somebody was like telling me in my comment section that I'm always saying different products. I say different products just in case in your area. If you don't have MIELLE, you can have the Dukes. If you don't have the Dukes, you can have the Coils. If you don't have the Coils, you will have the Kings and Coils. Just in case, I have over 81,000 subscribers. So I'm talking to about 81,000 people that are watching and those that are still subscribing. So definitely everybody is coming from different locations and different countries. So there are some countries that you may not get MIELLE. There are some countries you may not get the Dukes. But by the time you hear about it, maybe go and ask. Maybe if I've mentioned about 6 or 7 products here, you can ask and definitely you will get one, or you go online to get the one you want. But why I mentioned this about 7 products I always talk about is these are the best products that I can recommend, because they are the best product that will give you the hair quality, be the healthy hair you are looking for. Okay, so with this beautiful haircut in mind, I would like you guys to just watch this video to the end. Let me know your mind on how you feel about this hairstyle, because this style promises to be great. They are versatile cut that will really take many years off your age. So with these beautiful cuts, it will really make you want to cut your hair if you're still having the hair. So I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. God bless you guys. Stay locked to wear the style for more beautiful short haircuts come your way. Bye for now. He never gives to you. You deserve more than I can give. You deserve
I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Ooh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve, deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Ooh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve, deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Ooh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can